Menteri Rangba Gejala Conrad ke sangma ulapen Paiktien bagi Jingkynnoh Bamsap Pyrshah ya ko Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kilong Kiba Khlem Nongrim. Haba kren syakilat patai kubur henin kesngi Conrad ulaong ba haba pensyong Nongrim halor kijing tokit ke Sorkar kilalap ba kijing Jingkynnoh baro kilong Kiba Khlem Nongrim. Haba keli lakadan kijing ma ya ke Sorkar MDA hadian kijing Syarem ke NPP bat ki parlok jangka ha ke election ulaong ba undang kami benia halor kini ke bentah bat an sapenlong ya kijing yalang rengkat bat ke BJP bat UDP banyak keren halor kini kaman.
Till now, none of these allegations and any kind of based on all the inquiries that have been done, none of these allegations have had any basis. So therefore, it's easy for people to point fingers, but there have to be facts, figures. So therefore, it is not correct to lead to that conclusion. But yes, it's a concern because that's the kind of narrative that has been created. And from our side, as a government, we've always ensured that maximum transparency is there. We are obviously looking into all the aspects, but I'm very confident. I had a meeting with all our coalition partners. In fact, just now also we were having almost a marathon meeting with all the coalition partners, especially the UDP had come to meet me today. I had met the leaders of the BJP also, and we have all discussed all the different issues.